BTS, V and Jungkook win defamation suit against a YouTube channel. Deets inside. In a significant legal development that has captured the attention of the global music industry, an appellate court in South Korea has ruled in favor of BTS members V and Jungkook. The civil defamation case was filed against the operator of a YouTube channel known as Taldeoksooyongso. This channel was accused of repeatedly publishing false rumors and misleading content that targeted several high-profile celebrities, including members of the world-renowned K-pop group. According to reports from media outlets like Times Now, the court found that the videos published by the channel caused substantial damage to the professional reputations of the artists. The content often consisted of unverified and defamatory claims that were spread to a wide audience through the digital platform. Recognizing the scale and the lasting impact of this content, the court decided to revise the compensation amount upward. The channel operator has now been ordered to pay a total of 86 million won in damages to the BTS members. This ruling represents a notable increase from previous court decisions. The appellate court awarded an additional 5 million won each in damages specifically to V, whose real name is Kim Tae-young, and Jungkook, or John Jungkook. Sources said that the judicial bench believed the earlier compensation figures did not fully reflect the true extent of the harm caused by the videos. By increasing the damages, the court intended to provide a more accurate account of the emotional distress and the loss of reputation experienced by the artists. Before this appellate ruling, the original civil judgment had already directed the YouTube channel to pay smaller individual sums to the artists and their agency. However, this latest decision significantly strengthens the legal protection for public figures and serves as a warning against the spread of misinformation in the digital space. As this legal chapter reaches a resolution, the group is now shifting its focus toward a major milestone in its musical journey. BTS is currently preparing to embark on what is expected to be one of the largest concert events of the year, the Arirang World Tour. This tour marks a highly anticipated return to the global stage for the group, bringing their music to fans across multiple continents after a period of individual activities. The World Tour is scheduled to officially open in Goyang, South Korea, on April 9th. This will be followed by 2 nights in Tokyo on April 17th and 18th. Moving into the spring, the group will travel to North America for an extensive run of shows. Between April and May, they are set to perform in several major cities, including Tampa, El Paso, Mexico City, Stanford, and Las Vegas. These dates are expected to draw massive crowds, as fans have been waiting years for a full group performance of this scale. In June, the tour will return to South Korea for special performances in Busan, before heading to Europe. The European leg includes a show in Madrid followed by appearances in Brussels, London, Munich, and Paris throughout July. By August, the group will return to the North American region, with a schedule that includes East Rutherford, Foxborough, Baltimore, Arlington, Toronto, Chicago, and a significant stop in Los Angeles. The global reach of the tour continues into the latter part of the year. Starting in October, the group will travel to South America, with scheduled stops in Bogotá, Lima, Santiago, Buenos Aires, and São Paulo. The journey then moves across Asia, featuring performances in Kaohsiung, Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, Jakarta, Hong Kong, and Manila. Fans in Australia will also have the opportunity to see the group live, with shows planned for Melbourne and Sydney. Media outlets noted that more cities, including locations in Japan and the Middle East, are expected to be announced in the future. To accompany the tour, BTS is also set to release a brand new studio album. Titled Arirang, the album is scheduled for release on March 20th. This project features 14 tracks and marks the group's first major collective release in nearly 3 years. Their last project, the anthology album Proof, was released in June 2022. The long hiatus between full group releases has created a high level of anticipation among global audiences. For the members and their fans, these developments represent both a fresh start and a protective stand for their legacy. While the legal victory provides a sense of closure regarding past online harassment, the upcoming album and world tour signal a vibrant new chapter. As the group prepares to share their new music and perform in stadiums around the world, the focus remains on the bond between the artists and their global community. Fans reacted to the news with a mixture of relief and excitement, looking forward to a year defined by music and positive milestones.